Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Alright, sweetheart, it's time to go to sleep. Are you all snuggled up?
Yes, Daddy, but before I sleep, can you tell me a story, please?
Of course, my love. What story would you like to hear tonight?
Can you tell me a story about Imam Jafar Sadiq? I want to learn about his wisdom.
Ah, Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, a great teacher indeed. Long ago, in the bustling city of Medina, there was once a man who had an important question. He tried to find the answer to his question, but nobody could help him. Finally, he decided to visit Imam Sadiq. After all, he heard that the Imam was the wisest and smartest of all. The next day, when he met with the Imam, he was bursting to ask his question. After greeting the Imam, he took a deep breath and asked, "If we can't see Allah, how do we know that He is there?" The Imam paused for a moment. Instead of giving him a quick answer, he asked the man, "Have you ever been on a boat in the middle of the sea?" The man nodded his head, remembering the time he sailed through the Red Sea. "And was there ever a strong and sudden storm that ruined your boat until it started to sink?" continued the Imam. "Yes, that happened to me before," the man said quickly, wondering how the Imam knew about that time when he almost drowned in the sea. The Imam went on, "When you think back to that moment when you were so scared and alone, and there was nobody around to help you or save you, didn't you still have hope that you would be saved?" "Yes, deep down inside, I still had hope," the man admitted. "So, who did you think was going to save you?" asked the Imam. The man was speechless. "At that moment, you had hope in Allah," said the Imam. "You knew that only Allah could save you when nothing else could." The man felt so relieved and finally understood Allah better. He thanked the Imam for helping him realize something so important. Now that he was sure that Allah is always there, he was able to think about Allah and pray so much more and better than before. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq was known for his knowledge and kindness. He taught people the importance of seeking knowledge and understanding the world around them. His wisdom touched the lives of many.
What did he teach, Daddy?
He taught about science, philosophy, and the importance of morality. He believed that knowledge should be used to benefit humanity and bring people closer to their Creator.
Wow, he sounds so amazing.
Indeed, he was. His teaching spread far and wide, inspiring generations to pursue knowledge and follow a path of righteousness. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq's legacy continues to shine bright even today.
Thank you, Daddy. I feel inspired. Can we learn more about him tomorrow?
Absolutely, my dear. Now, close your eyes and let his wisdom guide your dreams tonight.